So I recently got another query and need help structuring my Google Ads campaign as an insurance agent. So if you're an insurance agent and looking for structuring your Google Ads, I can definitely help. Okay, I'm looking for some real guidance on structuring my Google Ads campaign correctly. Okay, I have licensed 215 insurance agents, health, life, final expense on operating in 17 states, and I have been trying to build out my Google Ads myself. Why? When you have us. So if anyone needs Google Ads management, we are Google Ads partner company, so we are one of the best, specialized with anti-fraud click and management and comparator analysis. But moving back, since November 13th, I have created six or more campaigns, but every one of them ends up limited, restricted, or not delivering calls. Okay, sad to hear. Here's what's happening. I'm getting impressions, clicks, and traffic to my domain, but I'm not getting inbound calls, which is the entire goal. Verification issues and policy restrictions keep popping up. Some ads won't spend, others barely show. I have tried call only ads, search ads, display ads, and different audiences. Everything gets limited due to policy or restricted targeting. Okay, I'm also okay. I'm not trying to run anything shady. I'm licensed, compliant, and selling real insurance. I just want to fix whatever I'm doing wrong. What I need help with: proper setup for call focus campaigns, correct keyword plus negative keyword structure, smart way to target specific states, countries, avoiding policy flags that kills every day, making sure my business verification and ad assets are correct, getting out of limited status so calls actually come in. If anyone here is experienced with Google Ads for insurance, I'd really appreciate with some direction. I'm grinding every day, but I can't keep wasting times on ads that won't run. Thanks in advance. Any advice or examples would help a lot. So first of all, I'm really happy that you're trying it yourself, but there are various aspects where you may need our help. So I'm going to answer all of them properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy on all of these things, and I'm going to step by step answer your questions for Google Ads for insurance agents. So okay, so proper setup for call focus campaigns. I recommend adding call assets. Okay, call assets, increases your chances of getting more calls. Plus, apart from call assets in regular search campaign is going to be very good. You can also try AI Max campaign, but also add other assets as well. Okay. You may have client compliance issues, so I will tell you limited. So for instance, this is a simple ad. I'm going to use an ad preview tool. For instance, this is a simple ad, but if I add different ad assets over here, you can see this is Sitelink assets. I'm going to add advertiser rating over here, price extension, location extension, and the call assets. So you may see around over here that if I add the call asset, you get an option of people calling it over here. So you can see this is an ad with a lot of ad assets. Previously they were known as extensions. So ad assets bring authenticity and people are much more likely to click. So if you have an ad asset, so focus on this. The first priority is to focus on this to get more calls. The call assets in your regular campaign is going to help you a lot. So my opinion is use for that. Now in order to find out your correct keyword and negative keyword structure, there are a few things. The first thing is your search terms. For instance, this is an account. I'm going back over here. So move around over here. Simply move on to your search terms over here. So look around for your search terms and keep on adding negative keywords which are not working well. So do your research on them. The keywords which are not working well, try to add those. So that is the best way for adding negative keywords. For keywords structure, the buying keywords is going to be very good. Plus, if you use a SpyFu or any other tool, they can help you finding out what your competitors are doing. So use SpyFu for comparator keywords. I have already told you regarding how to find negative keywords on your search term keywords. Look around for the keywords which are not working well. Smart ways to target specific states. I would create separate campaigns for each state. This is how I can win with my insurance service. So my opinion is this. Now policy flags and getting out of limited. Okay, I'm going to answer the getting out of limited first, and then I'm going to answer the policy flags. Okay, So if you are seeing your ads are shown as limited, you do not need to worry. These are insurance ads, so they may be limited in some states and many states. Why do you do the compliance of this? But they do not interrupt in running your ads. So they are limited for, let's say, the kids can't see, the children can't see. So for some age groups they may be limited, but otherwise it's fine. So if you're seeing limited ads, you are good to go with it. You are fine with this. But if you are having policy flags, it means that your website lacks compliance. So your website lacks compliance. Okay. What I usually recommend, if you want to do it on your own, is to open any of your competitor who is running ad on Google Ads. For instance, I am going over here and I'm going to search for on Google for insurance service. Okay, and I found some people promoting their service or their websites. What I can do is I can find out their websites and then do a comparison with my website to see if I'm lacking in any compliance issues, any pages issues. Also, we offer a ads approval service where we do help clients. So if you are our customer, or if you were, or if anyone watching this video to have a similar issue, I recommend you to hire us as a Google Ads manager, and we will sort this, because this is a complicated issue. So we can help you with this, the policy compliance on all of your pages. We can help you with your ad copy compliance. Sometimes the wording, even the limited status can be removed. Sometimes you are not adding the right word. Sometimes people do make claims and claims are not acceptable. But how do you mention those words which are the part of the claim? We have a solution for that as well. But again, try to understand that this is a complicated and sensitive matter and needs a professional assistance. So which is why I'm recommending that to hire us. But this is the core issue. The website lacks compliance and your ad copy lacks compliance, which is why you are seeing the limited, or you are having a policy flags on your ad sooner or later. So making sure my business verification and ad assets are correct. So for ad assets, I told you the business verification, advertiser verification is a part of Google Ads account approval, and I have a lot of videos on that as well. So I hope this answers your question regarding how if you are running your Google Ads campaign for insurance agent and if you need help. So I hope this answers your question query. But if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads, and if you are an insurance agent and running Google Ads and need a professional help, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we would love to help you with you in optimizing and scaling your Google Ads. So yeah, I look forward working with you. We also help in creating websites as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.